non-leather shoes in his feet. He wears non-leather shoes. We have prohibited all the followers from wearing leather shoes. If I'm stopping you, then how can I wear them? Now please see on its page number 72, because we have to also deliver satsang to you along with this. The topic of sanskar, impressions of previous life, was going on. We will explain some things about it to you in this. See on page 72 of this. It is written here that Nostradamus has also given some indications about the unparalleled great man of the history. This is what is written here. He would have a moon on his forehead. His attire would be very simple, meaning he would not wear red or yellow colored clothes. He would not roam around with the lion cloth wrapped around him. He will marry twice. He will have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Now, here, I will also tell you about sanskar a little here. Like Nostradamus has written that he will have 2 sons, 2 daughters. Das has 4 children as it is. And these foretellers that there are, or these philosophers, can only see what is going to happen in the future, what has already been determined by God. The one who is going to determine it is God. Whenever the right time comes, he can even amend it. That is his will. And it is written in this that he will marry twice. So, pious souls, God eliminated this fate of this Das. 2 marriages were predetermined, must be. If they are seeing this, then they are not seeing anything incorrect. And 4 children were also destined to be born, and they took birth too. Now, taking birth is not enough. Further, their upbringing, marriages, it was a very big task. It was a massive debt between us. That is why they came to me as my children. So, in 1988, Das obtained initiation. In 1994, Das got this job. Had I not been in the refuge of God Almighty, I would have had to live with those very children and then pay their debts. Then God Himself paid their debt and took Das in His refuge. This Das used to work as a junior engineer. That is a JE's job in Haryana Irrigation Department. And also, nobody should think this or become suspicious that he might be struggling to sustain himself. That is why he might have left the small job. No, we were sustaining ourselves well. So the purport is God, by taking Das in his refuge, I had only married off the eldest son and the elder daughter. 2 children were still studying. At that time, this Das got engaged in the feet of God by relinquishing my job. And today, those children are no less than the other children, meaning God raised them at the same level as the others. God did what Das was supposed to do, and God eliminated my sanskar. Otherwise, I would have remained entangled in them. Then how would I have delivered this invaluable knowledge to you? And the second was marriage. And had I married twice, I would have remained busy there. God even cancelled that. Now, what would have happened? There is a short joke. A person had 2 marriages due to some reason. The first wife had no children. So after a few days, the 2 wives started quarreling a lot with each other. So the parents of both the women came and advised that keep them separate, one on the room above and the other one below. Okay. Then they again started quarreling. One said that he does not come to me. He keeps having food downstairs. Then they ended that dispute. The parents of both the women came again. They said that, do one thing. One day he will have food downstairs and one day he will have food upstairs. They said that he will have food downstairs on Ekam and upstairs on Dvitiya. Downstairs on third day, upstairs fourth day. This is how he will eat. What happened one day? The Chhat and the Satam came on the same day. Now, as soon as he entered through the door, his wife, who lived downstairs, held one of his hands. The other one caught his hand and pulled him upstairs. She took him upstairs. Then the other one ran after him and pulled him downstairs, saying that today is Satam. The other one said, no, it is Chhat today. They damaged his knees in this rehearsal. So, pious souls, had I had two marriages, my knees would have been damaged. God showed mercy and sorted it out in one marriage only. Then what happened? These two marriages are said to be so bad. Once that same person had a theft. The thief was caught. A village meeting was held. It was decided in the village meeting that he whose wealth has been stolen should decide what punishment should be given. To this thief, he who has had two marriages was already very distressed. He said, get him two wives. When Chhat and Satam will come on the same day, then I will see him. So, due to this Chhat Satam, God changed this fate of this Das. मासा घटे न तिल बधे, विद न लिखे जो लेख, साचा सतगुरु मेट कर, ऊपर मारे मेख. So far, I have introduced many prophecies to you people. Along with them, there are many other prophecies of many other foretellers that stand true on this Das. Among them, one is that the mother of that Shiren Selen would be three sisters. They would be three. So this Das's mother were three sisters. Now I will show you. The devotees have taken this from some website, because now all devotees are researching that on whom these prophecies actually fit. It has been taken from a website. I will show you this. Please see. This is searching Shiren Selen. This has been taken from a website. Nostradamus, a famous name, required no introduction. He had predicted about numerous events of past, present, and future. In these prophecies, a name arise again and again, Shiren Selen. There are several claims in past of being Shiren Selen, but none of them proven to be the real one. Now, what is written in this further? This is century number 10, quatrain number 75. What is written in this? Long awaited, he will never return. In Europe, he will appear in Asia. One of the league issued from the great Hermes, and he will grow over all kings of East. Now what happens in this? This is the original language of Nostradamus. And the translators of this have translated it according to them. They have tried that. That in India, it is further written in this, that a country which would have a name based on an ocean, Indian Ocean, that would be the name of that country, that is India. And then they have stated that he will take birth in that place where 5 rivers will be flowing. 5 rivers. In 1555, Nostradamus had uttered these prophecies, and he had predicted that in 2006 a Hindu leader will suddenly come to light. At that time, his age would be between 50 and 60 years. This Das was born on 8th September 1951. In 2006, this Das was exactly 55 years. And after that, they have done a lot of other predictions that he will discover such a knowledge which will be unique. Please see now. World Victorious Saint. The prophecy of Nostradamus about Saint Rampalji. It was written that the first. Here it has been said that a lot of his predictions have already come true in India. Predictions about Indira Gandhi have also come true. Then it is written that. Here it is written, in the end of century 5 of his prophecy and in the beginning of century 6, meaning that after year 2005 comes 2006 AD, Nostradamus has written that from today, that is 1555 AD, exactly 450 years later, that is in year 2006, a Hindu saint, Chiron, will appear. That is, he will be talked of in the whole world at that time. The age of that Hindu religious saint, Chiron, will be between 50 and 60 years. Please see more. Making everyone follow the same rule, regulation, and discipline. Discipline. He will bring them on the true path. I, Nostradamus, prove one thing indisputably that Chiron, that is religious leader, will discover a new knowledge. He will neither be a Christian, he will not be a Christian anytime. He will surely not be a Christian nor a Muslim. He will not be a Muslim nor a Jew. He will definitely be a Hindu. He will be more intelligent than the former religious leaders, and he will be invincible. Mr. Nostradamus has said that he would discover such knowledge, spiritual knowledge, which no saint until today would have actually given. And in the field of spiritual knowledge, he would be more knowledgeable than all the previous saints. Please see here. Here, this century number 1, quatrain number 76, that is 76, that the three sisters will have the name for destiny. They have also translated this themselves. This prophecy gives sign about family members. Mother of Chiron Selin are three sisters who will have a name of destiny. The original watercolor image 44 made by Nostradamus shows three sisters who will have name for destiny. Destiny. One of them wearing black clothes made like an angel by Nostradamus is the mother of Chiron Selin. It is written that here it means Nostradamus had created these pictures at that time. And in this, the lady, who is wearing a black dress and is having a distinct sign on her, is the mother. This proves that the mother of that Sharon Selen, that religious leader, spiritual guru, will be three sisters. Mother of this Das were three sisters together. Mother is still alive, and the other two have expired. Ma'am, what is your name?
Indira Devi.
And where are you from?
Damkan Khedi.
How many brothers and sisters are you?
6 brothers and sisters. 3 sisters, 3 brothers.
And what are the names of the three sisters?
Elder one is Lakshmi, mine is Indira Devi and Pyari.
Please see this. This is century number 6 and quatrain number 27. What is written in this is, within the isles of 5 rivers to 1. They have translated it here down. Another sign, 5 rivers to 1, is the Punjab state of India, where 5 rivers flows, and it is named on that. Even century 10 quatrain 75 proves. Here he has tried to say, like in the original text of Gita, whatever is written, its meaning is different, but the translator is only telling according to his own understanding wherever it works. Now in this, Nostradamus is saying, he is explaining here, as you have read, that in the year 2006, that Sharon Selen, they have explained the meaning of Sharon Selen later. Sharon means of the whole world. And the meaning of Selen has been written as the god of moon. It is a Greek word, Selen. It means the god of tranquil light. That is, a god who imparts good knowledge, spreads the message of brotherhood. That is, a god, a noble soul who imparts true knowledge. The word Selen has been attributed to that person. Now, what is written here is that his age in the year 2006 will be between 50 to 60 years. That is, he would be approximately 55 years of age. Please see what is written ahead. Here, there is a mention of 5 rivers, where 5 rivers will be flowing. Please see here. Sharon Selen has been explained here. He has been detailed here. Sharon, a term used in France at the time of Nostradamus for whole universe. That is, the whole world. And Selena is name of Greek goddess of moon. That is, the word Selena is about a goddess of moon. The word Selen is about a god. That's why it's been called Selen. So Sharon Selen means a god, a noble soul, a good soul who provides unique knowledge to the whole world. Goddess means a pure soul. They have translated the prophecies of Nostradamus, which is as under. Please see here. Punjab, the word Punjab, is a combination of the Indo-Iranian words Panj, 5, and Ab, that is water. Thus, the land of 5 rivers. The 5 rivers are the tributaries of the Indus River, namely Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. The meaning of this is that the place where 5 rivers flow, that is the place where he will be born. And Pi souls In the Janam Sakhi of Bhai Balewali, you had read that once with Sri Nanak Dev Sahib Ji, Bala and Mardana went to devotee Prahlad's place. Look, so there on the question of Mardana, devotee Prahlad said that here in my place only three noble souls can come. Number one, God Kabir Ji, who has already visited. Number two is Nanak Dev Ji. Nanak Dev Ji is second. And one more will come. And then neither has anyone else visited here before, nor will anyone be able to come in future. And the one who will come here to my place in future, he would be noble like these souls only, like God Kabir and like Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Then Mardana asked, when will he come? And on which earth would he come? Then devotee Prahlad said that he would come hundreds of years after the departure of Nanak Dev Ji, and he will take birth on the land of Punjab. Then Mardana asked that Kabir Ji was a weaver, Nanak Ji is Khatri, and which caste would he belong to? Then Prahlad said that he would be of Jat caste. Once again, read Bhai Balewali Janam Sakhi, it would become clear to you. Once Sri Nanak Sahib Ji, along with Mardana, went to the place of Prahlad, which is at a distance of lakhs of kilometers from here. Please see, this is the same Janam Sakhi Bhai Balewali, the same Janam Sakhi Bhai Balawali. This has been shown to you earlier as well. Now let us show you the page number 272. Prahlad Bhagatnal Goshti on page number 272. Then devotee Prahlad said, when Nanak Sahib Ji along with Bala and Mardana reached the Lok place of devotee Prahlad, then devotee Prahlad said, O ascetic Nanak, Ram made you a great devotee in Kali Yuga, and many will attain salvation in your company. Sri Ram has showered divine grace on you. You will become very famous. Earlier in this Kali Yuga, devotee Kabir had come here. Now see, out of ignorance, devotee Prahlad is calling God a devotee. Devotee Kabir has come here and God has sent you here. Then Mardana asked devotee Prahlad, O devotee, you are also a great devotee, and Sri Ram has shown a big character for you as well. That is, he had acquired the Narsingh form. Sri Ram has showered immense grace on you. O devotee, has anyone else also reached here, or only Kabir and ascetic Nanak have reached here? Then devotee Prahlad said, brother, ask ascetic Nanak whether anybody else will come or not. Devotee Mardana said, you are a great devotee. You know everything that will happen in the future and that happened in the past till Satyug. Then devotee Prahlad said, listen brother, if anyone would be competent like him, then he would reach here That is, if anybody would be competent like Nanak Ji, then he would reach here. Nobody else can come here. There have been many great devotees in the past, and there will be in the future too, but nobody reached here. Then Mardana asked, when will that person exist? Or will he exist in a near era? Then devotee Prahlad said, listen, brother, he will exist in Kali Yuga. And when ascetic Nanak will go to Sachkhand, then here it is written, saw 100 years after that. He had said here, saw hundreds of years after that. Here they had to write saw hundreds. Here, if they would have put a grammatical mark, then it would have become saw. Saw varsh, hundreds of years. They have written 100 years. He will exist hundreds of years after that, meaning apart from these three, nobody else can come here. Then Mardana asked, which are these three? Then devotee Prahlad said, brother, Kabir has been in the past, and now ascetic Nanak is present, and then he will exist. Mardana asked, Kabir was a weaver, and Nanak is a Kshatriya. Then to which caste will he belong? That is, which caste would he belong to? And on which land will he exist? And in which city? Then devotee Prahlad said, brother, on the land of Punjab, and caste would be Jat. That is, he will belong to the Jat caste. And city would be Batala. Here they have written Batala instead of Barwala. It was Barwala. He will be present in Barwala. Now in this they have made it clear that on this earth only three would know this secret. First one was God Kabir, who himself came. Now no one could understand him. He was himself God. Then he gave this knowledge to Nanak Sahib Ji. So devotee Prahlad made it clear that all who will come here, and also made it clear that he will belong to Jat caste. They have written Batala, but actually his area of propagation will be Barwala. That Barwala is in front of you. However, in Batala there has been no saint belonging to Jat caste who could have understood the deep secrets of Nanak Sahib Ji, hence proved. Another thing which I want to bring to your notice here, at the time when this Das was born, on that is 8th of September 1951, at that time Haryana and Punjab were a single state called Punjab. That is why devotee Prahlad and Nostradamus have said that that saint will take birth in a region where 5 rivers will be flowing. That is, the name of that place will be based upon the 5 rivers, Punjab. In 1966, Punjab got divided into 2 different states in the year 1966. 1st November 1966, Haryana was formed separately. At the time when this Das took birth, it was called Punjab. So that people do not get confused, it was imperative to clarify this here, right now. Pious souls, this will generate good confidence for those pious souls, the knowledge that this Das is trying to give you. Because here in this world, whenever God has come or has sent his servant here, he has himself given knowledge about him. God Kabir used to say, हम ही अलख अला हैं, कुतुब गोश और पीर, गरीबदास खालिक धनी अमरा नाम कबीर। हे स्वामी सृष्टा में सृष्टि हमारी तीर, दास गरीब अधर बसूं। Kabir Das ji says, I stay above. Avgat Sat Kabir. So God has to himself give knowledge about him, and pious souls, you will develop firm faith that what you are associated with is a true place. The whole world will get enlightened and follow this path, and everyone will attain salvation. This is before you, the great man about whom all the great men and foretellers mentioned, and Tulsi Das ji, the founder of Jai Gurudev sect, has even told his date of birth that great man has turned 20 on 7 September 1971. Now please see about the time. There is another book here. Let me show you. Please see. We have found this tattered book. Our devotees have brought this. See in which time he will take birth. युग निर्माण की सुनिश्चित संभावना. Author is Balram Singh Parihar. Publisher is Yug Nirman Yojana, Gayatri Tapobhumi Mathura. See on its page number 43. On page number 43. Year 2000 and 30 years prior to that, a man with a divine body has taken birth. He will fill happiness in everyone's heart. He will remove miseries from the whole world. He will also rectify the unjust and the cruel people. Please see, these things have been told of the time around 2000. Please see further, in the first phase of night when I am in deep sleep, then I see a divine man in my dreams. He has grey hair. He has almost white hair with simple attire. He is fair-skinned and he has non-leather shoes in his feet. That is, he wears non-leather shoes. A crowd of saints and gentlemen is seen around him. It is further written in this that I see small and big flames lighted amidst them. He used to see these lamps that are lit in a Havan Jyoti Yagya. Now there should be no confusion about the time, for that see here, after Mahabharat, one more Mahabharat. 4 years after independence, that is 4 years after 1947, that is in 1951, a powerful religious organization will come to the fore and will salvage the whole world. The savior would be the leader of that organization. Because of not understanding the original text of the foretellers, the translator has written organization here. Its meaning is that India gained independence in 1947 and 4 years later Das was born in 1951. This indication is towards this Das. Please see in this very book, its heading is Struggle, Destruction, Great Struggle, and then New Era. Nostradamus was born in a place called Saint Remy in France on 13 December 1503. Now what has he told here? This great foreteller who has made the maximum predictions about the 20th century has written that in the latter half of the 20th century, that is, after 1950, there will be so much development of science that majority of the world will become atheists. They will become atheists and the social code of conduct will disappear. They will disappear and there will be nothing called character. Fashion will be at its peak. There will be only a few people who will stay at home. Majority of the people will roam here and there and eat outside on streets. In these circumstances, a unique world-renowned man will take birth in great religious Eastern country. This person through his small associates will alone cause a commotion in the whole world. This historical great man will give rise to such a great struggle that it will cause inner conflict in every house and city. The time of this inner revolution is at the end of the 20th century, and the beginning of the 21st century is right now. It has become clear from this that in the year 2000, the 20th century ended. 21st century is going on, it's 2013. So Nostradamus has said about this time, and not about any great men of the previous times. So it is clear from this, pious souls, do not delay. You will not get this time again and again, and this time is not to be wasted like this. मानुष जन्म दुर्लभ है, मिले ना बारंबार, और तरुवर से पत्ता टूट गिरे, बहुर ना लागे डार. Now Karl had said that द्वादश पंथ करूं मैं साजा, और नाम तुम्हारा लेई करूं आवाजा. द्वादश पंथ नाम जो लेही सो हमरे मुख आन समोई. Which are those 12 sects? और अनेक apart from that, और अनेक पंथ चलाऊं, या विद जीवों को भरमाऊं, जाओ जोग जित संसारा, जीव न माने कहा तुम्हारा. Now we will see Bodh Sagar, Kabir Vani, the chapter. Please see here. This is Kabir Sagar, complete 11 parts. It has been published from Khemraj Sri Krishna Das Prakashan, Bombay. Kabir Sagar, Gyan Sagar, first part. Refined by Kabir Panthi Bharat Pathik Swami Yuglanand Bihari. I'm showing this to you so that no one should think that he might be showing something duplicate. All these proofs are given. You can see them. Printer and publisher Khemraj Sri Krishna Das. Director Sri Venkateshwar Press, Khemraj Sri Krishna Das Marg, Mumbai. This is a chapter Kabir Bani. In this Dwadas Panth Chalo So Bhed. Here it is written that Dwadash Panth Kal Furmana. Kabir Sahib is saying, भूले जीव न जाए ठिकाना, ताते आगम कही हमरा, वंश हमार चूरामणि शाखा. प्रथम जग में जागो भरमावे, बिना भेद वो ग्रंथ चुरावे. दूसर सुरति गोपाल ही होई, अक्षर जो जोग दृढ़ावे सोई. Now there is information about the 12 sects started by Karl on the name of Kabir Sahib. Here it is in the form of verses. Now I will show you in the form of prose. Please see this. This is Kabir Charitra Bodh. That was Kabir Bani. This is Kabir Charitra Bodh in this Kabir Sagar itself. And this is page 1817 Bodh Sagar. Page 1870. What is written here? Description of the sects of Kabir Sahib. This is in prose form. Number 1 here is Narayan Das's sect. Now they have committed a mistake here. They should have written Churamani's sect, because Narayan Das had not accepted the knowledge of Kabir Sahib. How can he be of the Kabir sect? It is well understood by those who are associated with the Kabir Panth. It is mainly for them, and along with them it is for you too. Now they say the first one is Narayan Das. This is Churamani. The second is the sect of Jagodas. It is his panth. And the third is Surat Gopal. Fourth is Mool Niranjan. Taksari Sakt is fifth. The sixth is Bhagwan Das's sect. Seventh is Satyanami sect. Eighth is Kamali sect. It is not Kamali. It is Kamal's panth. Ninth, Ram Kabir sect. 10th is Prem Dham Ki Vani sect. 11th is Jiva sect. And 12th is Garib Das's sect. Do remember the 12th is Garib Das's sect. The first is not Narayan Das. Here it should be Churamani. I will show you further. The rest is okay in this. Now we have to come back on Kabir Bani. In chapter Kabir Vani, we are reading on page 136. Dwadas Panth Chalo So Bhed. Dwadas Panth Kal Furmana. In these 12 sects, only Kal's mantra will be recited. He will dominate in them. And Bhule Jeev Na Jaye Thikana. Tate Agam Kahi Hum Rakha, Vansh Hamar Churamani Shakha. Now here they have made changes. Here they should have told that first is Churamani and second is Jago. They have made Jago as the first here. Whereas if you see here, the second is Jago. Please see here in Kabir Charitra Bodh. Here it is. First is Narayan Das, second is Jago Das. There they have written Jago Das as the first. It is said Chor Churave Tombadi. We have come back again to Kabir Vani. चोर चुरावे तुम्बड़ी. We have come back again to Kabir Vani. चोर चुरावे तुम्बड़ी और वो गड्ढे पानी में, 'Chor churave tumdi' means 'chor churave tumdi'. 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 'Chor churave tumdi' वो गड्ढे ऊपर आवे ना सच्चाई छानी ने. Here they have tried to cause a jumble. They have tried to put Narayan Das in Kabir Panth, whereas he had never accepted it. This sect has started from Chudamani, which has reached till Damakheda. Apart from it, these other fake sects have been started by the fake gurus, the messengers of Kal. Please see here. In this, there are some good souls. Example, great men like Garib Das Ji. God had sent him to impart his knowledge. Please see here. द्वादश पंथ काल फुरमाना भूले जीव न जाऊं ठिकाना ताते आगम कही हम राखा वंश हमार चूरामणि शाखा. This is wrong. It should have been written here that first is Churamani, second is Jagodas, then third is Surati Gopal, and fourth Mool Niranjan Bani, and the fifth Taksar sect, then Jiva sect, then Satnami sect. It is all here. Then Ram Kabir sect. All this Param Dham ki Bani sect. Now from here the 12th sect starts. It is stated that Samvat 17 se 75 hoi. This should be 74. It has been misprinted as 75 by mistake. Tadin Prem Prakate Jag Soi. It is not 75, it is 74. So respected, the 12th sect is of Garib Das Ji. I have shown it to you in prose section that it is Garib Das's sect. Respected Garib Das Ji was born in village Chhodani, district Jhajjar, Haryana in Samvat 1774. Here it is misprinted as 1775. So here it is said that when the year 1774 will come, in this world love would appear. That is, he would tell the speech singing my glory. He would again disseminate my knowledge. God knew that when the messengers of Kal, they will enter the Kabir Panth, then they would also interfere with his speech. God Kabir's speech. They have made many changes in Kabir's Sagar according to them. So to rectify that and to complete that, God Kabir via his pious soul Garib Das Ji, who was from the 12th sect, has given true knowledge with full details. It is a big scripture, the one we read. Now see. Now God is saying that Samvat 1775 hoi, it should be 74. Tadim Prem Prakate Jag Soi. Now what is he saying? Agya rahe Brahm Bodh lave, Koli Chamar sabke ghar khave. That is, he would reduce discrimination. So people from all castes started becoming Garib Das Ji's disciples. Then what has been said about the 12th sect? साख हमारी लय जीव समझावे असंख्य जन्म में ठोर ना पावे. Then he has said, 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी शब्द हमारे की निर्णय ठानी. That in 12th sect the speech about my grandeur will again appear via Garib Das Ji with full details. It would be told, and those belonging to the 12th sect, that is Garib Das sect, including the other 11 Kabir sect, all these, it has been said that Shabd Hamare ka nirnay thani would try to decipher the meaning of my speech but will do misinterpretation. Then has said that Asthir ghar ka marm ni pave, ye 12 panth hami ko dhyave. All these 12 sects say that our root is Kabir Sahib. However, they all recite the mantras of Kal only. Please see. 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी शब्द हमारी के निर्णय ठानी. They will try to draw a conclusion of the speech but won't be able to do it properly. अस्थिर घर का मरम न पावे. That is, they cannot go to Satlok again. ये 12 पंथ हमी को ध्यावे. 12 पंथ हमी ही चली आवे. Wonderful. Kabir Sahib has said that in Garib Das's sect, I will myself come and I will run one sect after decimating all the other sects. Bolo Satgur Dev. So pious souls of God has not been able to come. He has sent his servant by providing his as it is power. Now you will see, you are seeing how the light of true knowledge is spreading in the world via internet, via television, via devotees, via books, via CDs and DVDs. God has made a splash for his children so that they quickly understand him and accomplish their main task which they have forgotten. Now see what is being said, that 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, साख हमारी ले जीव समझावें, असंख्य जन्मे ठौर न पावें। 12वें पंथ प्रगट है बाणी, शब्द हमारे की निर्णय ठाणी, अस्थिर घर का मरम न पावे, ये 12 पंथ हम ही को ध्यावे, 12वें पंथ हम ही चलावे। गॉड कबीर सेज आई विल कम माई सेल्फ एंड सब पंथ मिटा के एक ही पंथ चलावे। Then he says, प्रथम चरण कल जुग निर्याणा, तब मगहर माडो मैदाना. Here God has done wonders. The first phase of Kali Yuga will be when I perform a divine act in Maghar, and from there I would depart along with my body. So that divine act was performed by God in the first phase. Now this middle generation has started when 5500 years of Kali Yuga have passed. In 1997, Kali Yuga completes 5505 years. This has been explained to you in detail many times with full calculations. Now what has been said ahead? 5505 तब ये वचन मेरा होगा सांचा. Then he has said, धर्मदास मोरी लाख दुहाई, मूल शब्द बाहर ना जाई. This is बाहर ना जाई. This is मूल ज्ञान, core knowledge. पवित्र ज्ञान तुम जग में भाखो. Tell. But मूल ज्ञान तुम गुप्त ही राखो. गोई means hidden. मूल ज्ञान जो बाहर पर ही, बिचली पीढ़ी वंश हंस न तरही. 33 अरब ज्ञान हम भाखा, मूल ज्ञान हमने गुप्त ही राखा. मूल ज्ञान तुम तब लगी छिपाई, जब लग द्वादश पंथ मिट जाई. So pious souls, now all these sects have vanished. Consider this to be true. Now please see, let us show you another secret. We are reading Kabir Bani and we have come on page 134. Page number 136 and 137 we have read. Here details are given about the 13 sects of God Kabir. All the 13 sects have been mentioned. Although all are children of God only, whether they are entrapped with Kal are standing in the boundary of Kal. Those fake 12 people who came were also children of God. But let's see what they are saying now. That in this, Pratham Vansh Uttam, this is Churamani. Second is Jagu. Third is Ahankari, Prachand. Fourth is Birah. Fifth is Nidra. Sixth is Udas. Seventh is Gyan Chaturai, that is Satnami, Taksari Panth, etc. And 8th Dwadas Panth Virod, 9th Panth Puja, 10th Prakash, 11th is Pargat Pasara, or 12वें Vansh Pargat Hoye Ujiyara. 12th is of Garib Das Ji. Now what has God said is that the 12th descendant who will come, that is Garib Das Ji, through him there will be some brightness of my speech, my grandeur. It won't clarify everything. Now please see, 12वें Vansh Pragat Hoye Ujiyara, and 13th Vansh descendant, this Das is sitting in front of you, Mete Sakal Andhiyara, and Eti Daga Kal ki Samai, nonetheless, Tatva Bindu ki Tek Reh Jai. And then it has been said that Kal will cause such great deceit, but even then the true spiritual knowledge will remain. He will not be able to curb it. So, pious souls, let us now prove in front of you how much Kali Yuga has passed right now. In holy Hindu religion, books written by Shankaracharya are considered to be authentic records as such. Let's clarify from these how much Kali Yuga has passed right now. Please see. This is a book, Jyotirmaya Jyotirmat. Here some description has been given, Jyotirmaya Jyotirmat. Its patron is Swarupanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj. This is Swarupanand Ji, who is currently sitting on the native seat. He is in charge of the two mutts, Jyotish Mutt Pithadishwar and Dwarka Sharda Pithadishwar, Saraswati Ji. Now what is written here? This is the editor, writer and compiler, Vishnu Dutt Sharma, Chairman, Adhyatmak Uttan Mandal, Delhi. Source of inspiration, Shri Subudhanand Brahmachari Ji, printer, fine print and packs. Please see here, Akhil Bharatiya Adhyatmik Uttan Mandal, 1 by 3234, street number 2, Ramnagar Vistar, Mandoli Road, Shahadra, Delhi. Here are the phone and fax numbers. See on page number 11 of this book,